Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to continue working on part 8 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we were able to start the second floor and we added some beds and some toilets. Now we're going to continue working on this. First, let's add in the shower right here. So we need to go to load family, go back here to the main, go to plumbing, and then here under architectural fixtures, and then we have shower. Let's load this one and then type in CM, and we can place it right here at the corner. Now what we have to do is we need to duplicate this so that we can have different sizes. So we can call this one, so 1550 for this one, and then we have another one here, 1350, and then another one right here. So click on tab so that you will be able to select the inner of the wall. So now we need to create 3 kinds. So here I'm going to select one, select the shower, edit type, and then duplicate this one. We could call this one shower 1. And then now let's change the width to whatever we have there, 1550. Press OK, and then there we have it. Now we can delete this, select this, CS, and then now let's add it here onto this corner. And then here as well. And then from here, we could just duplicate it. So now let's select this one, edit type, duplicate. This will be shower number 2. And then let's change it to 1350. Press OK, and then there we go. We can delete this now, and then select this one, edit type, duplicate. This will be shower number 3, and then 1650. After that, press OK, and then there we have it. So you'll be able to change all of that by just clicking on those. Now what we're gonna do here is we're gonna add in a walk-in closet right about here. So CS, and then here we can extend this one around 1400, and then the width of this. We can access this as well if you want by selecting this and then creating a wall opening. So we have a wall opening from here, and then we also can add in a pocket door instead, because of course you want no moisture coming into the walk-in closet as well. So what we can do is we can go load family, and then we need to go back doors, and then residential, we have a pocket door right here, double pocket door. Click open. Let's add the 15 by 2000, and then from there DR, that's for the door, and then we can just click it right about here. And then this one, we could make this one smaller, edit, and then let's change the width to something small enough, so probably around 800. Click apply and then OK. So now we have a sliding door right about here. That is good enough. And then let's add this one to right here. So the toilets, and then this one right here. So use your space bar to be able to add it right about there. And then now let's click on annotate detailed line. We have demolish at the moment, so we can add demolish right about here first before we add the um, the line, the regular line, the thin line. And then click it again, and then go to thin line, and then add the thin line right there. And then also add thin lines to represent the sink top. Okay, and then right here as well. So that's good. We can add now the other right here. So for this one, we can add another wall. This will be the closet for this one. So I'm just gonna pull this one down, and then here we could put this one at 700. Again, this wall, we can add this wall right about here, 700. And then we can also have right here 700 for the closet. And then after that, we need to add in the detail line, CS, add 2 to represent the rod, add it here as well. And then here as well. And then from there, for this one, I'm just going to push it a bit there. I don't want it to be too cramped. So just some cleaning up. And then now, I believe we have the sliding door. So CS that, go here. We'll be able to add the sliding door right here. This one we could change the size. And this one we could add in the biggest one. So here, select that, and then just go to the biggest one that they have. I'm fine with this now, and then this one as well, the biggest one that they have. If you want it to be the exact width, you will need to select that, edit, and then change the width. So it's up to you to do. But for now, so I'll show you. So duplicate this, whatever's the name. I'm planning to put probably 2400. Okay. And then here, you just need to change 2400 as well. And then there you go. That's perfect enough for that space. So you can do that. And then now, we're good with this. What I'm planning to do is add in some windows. So I'm going to use curtain wall for that. So click on wall. And then once you click on the wall, click on the drop down. And then curtain wall. I want to add walls around here. So for now, I want it from the inside. So make sure that this is from the inside. I want to add a curtain wall above here as well. and then right about here. So space bar that. I want it from the inside as well. And then here for the front, and here in the front as well. We could add one right about here. It's only for the top, so we could just select that CS and then add it at the top as well. We can also have here. So I'll just add it so that we have right about here. Space bar that. And then now what you do is go to modify, cut geometry, selected. And then what you need to do is select the wall first and then curtain wall. Select the wall, curtain wall, wall, curtain wall, wall, curtain wall. So that's the process that you need to do. We can change the width later on once we finalize the design. So here, like that. And then let's go to 3D to change the height. Most of the time I put the same height. So I'm gonna pull down one, and then from there I will move everything on that height. So use align, so AL, select that height, and then here. Again, do it on the others. If you want to make this one same as all, so you can check this one, and then you can just keep on selecting those. So I'm gonna do AL. This is already checked, so what you can do is you just need to get one, and if you're just doing this one on multiple, you can just do this, but you want to make sure that you know how to use the check and uncheck part of that, because everything is different height, especially this one in the washroom. We need to pull it up all the way right about here. We're just gonna give them a small one. So now I'm gonna AL that, and that only we're only gonna put that one right about here on all washroom. And then after that, these ones are different now. So I'm gonna pull this one up like so. And then from there, AL. And then we're gonna maintain that now, sorry. So here, that's one, and that's for that one. So you want to make sure that everything is good. And then let's go back to second floor. Press escape. And then now we can add in our floor. So click on floor. And then let's edit. Duplicate this. This will be floor number 4. Edit type. This will be wood. So let's look for wood. Let's look at it from here. There's more selection right here. You just need to pull it up. I'm gonna choose mahogany. Apply, and then OK, and then OK. Now we just need to put it from the inside. Same idea. What I usually do is I put it like that, and then from there I choose pick line and then select the ones from the inside. Here I want to go around here and then right there, and then now I just need to clean it up. So now everything is covered. You just need to click finish and we're good. But then again, we want different finish or materials on our washrooms. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to modify, click split element again, and then I'm gonna select the floor, which we have done just recently, and then I'm gonna use my rectangle. So here is the edge, so I cannot use rectangle, so I need to go around like so. The yellow one is the edge of the face, so you cannot put a line on that, so you just need to put this one. So that's done. Let's do it again. We need to do it right here. Then again, we have selected the face that has some edge. So for the edge, you cannot put any line, so you just need to go around that. I hope that's clear and you guys can understand what I'm doing. And then click finish. Then again, let's do it again. Last one. Let's select the floor again. Here is an edge, another edge, yellow line. You just need to go around that line. You don't need to add the split face. And then click finish. And now you'll be able to add different one once we click on paint. And the issue right now is what are we gonna add there? We need to add something that is 3 different. So let's see here if we could add anything else. I'm going to go to stone, and at the moment we have only this ones. So the problem is that every time we have this, the paint is just showing limited materials. So for me, what I do is I add stuff that we haven't added yet. So for example, appliance LED, so we did that already. We haven't used this, I'm sure. Let's add in carpet. I think we haven't done carpet, so I'm gonna add carpet. Okay, so carpet done. The ceiling tile right here, we haven't added that, so I'm gonna add that. And then another ceiling tile, 60 by 600 by 600. I'm gonna add that. So now at least I know that we haven't added those. And if you see, we have those hatching there. That's what you know that we were successful by adding those. You can also double check by clicking on consistent color right here. So that's good. So before we go, I'm just checking if we added everything. Looks like we're good. We have this. We could add in, we can move this one a bit like that and add in something like this. I can move this one on the side so that it doesn't change the window right here. And then this one, we can add in a nook for a table. So here we could add this one, CS. And then we could just add a detailed line to represent a table right here. This one from referencing here is 1280. Let's make it 1300. And then here we could just extend this one or not. So here we could just do this. And we could just do this one as well on this side. So everybody is with the same thing. $1,300. And then let's pull this one back like that. Now we're good. We just need to add in the same thing, CS, and then this one, CS, add the line right there. So we have some space for that. And then here we're good as well. We can add in a nook, like a table as well. So I'm gonna delete this. Then spacebar this one, showing it like that. I could move this one all the way there, and then add in the, it needs to be interior wall. So sorry about that. Needs to be interior wall. So let's just change it to interior wall number 1. CS. Let's add it right here. This is around 1000 is good. And then this one, we could add this one round about here. We could have in some space for seating as well. CS, something like that. And then we can have in a table like so, and then the line. And then now we could just push this one back. So everything has a desk. We have our masters here. And then here we could add it on this side. We could have a TV right here, and this we could just pull this back. CS. That's good. And then here, CS that one, and then add it like so. So that's looking good. Everyone has a desk, and I like the look of this. So thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.